imposter syndrome is such an isolating experience, right? Because it takes away from the feeling of I deserve something. And if you don't know that other people also feel that they don't deserve the things, then it makes it a lot more less isolating and less lonely and a lot more normal. And then once it's normalized, then you can actually have an action plan for it to say, hey, I feel uncomfortable with the situation, but let me just trust myself and try it out. Then when you have that little success, hey, okay, that didn't go so bad, so then maybe try the next thing, and then essentially it becomes within the realm of comfort. But you have to take that first step. And I think within the context of women entrepreneurs, as much as unnerving it can be to have to talk to investors firstly, but then talk to investors that you feel are so different from you, you have to kind of also empathize with how can I make them see what I see, right? The potential that I see. What does it take to kind of go a little bit out of my comfort zone, even if it's extra data points, even if it's extra context that I need. Yes, it's annoying, but you have to kind of go out of your comfort zone and extend that empathy to others so that they can see things the way you see them. And that's the key to sort of building those relationships, building that connectivity, which will translate into value over time, right? Because then you get the capital and the networks that you need, and they also get the returns that they need. But it's really just you having to initiate all that, which can be overwhelming, but there's success stories for people who've been able to do that.